now. Yeah, right, Colorado ain't my region now. But now I'm headed out there anyhow. Set it up like I'm headed out for the big amount. Shoot it up like I'm heading up for the pictures now.
Today I'm going to teach you the knee twist dance move. Now it's a similar dance move from the old dance style, the twist, if you remember that. So it's very similar. It's kind of like a twisting movement, but with both those legs. So we're going to be twisting at the same time, okay? Now I'm just going to add a little bit more to it and then do a nice kind of finish for it as well. It's one of those moves that I think works really well if you're doing like a private booking and you're dancing for someone that wants to appreciate your show but doesn't really want the full-on lap dance, you know, doesn't really want you on her. Trust me, if you're a male stripper and you've been doing stripping for quite a long while, you will have gotten into this situation quite a few times. Trust me, it happens a lot. Not all women always want you like on top of them. So sometimes you got to deal with that. And a lot of guys really get stuck here because they don't know what to do. When they're standing in front of the girl and dancing for her, they kind of feel weird. And guys, just use these moves I'm teaching you and you'll be fine. The knee twist, it looks like this. Twist, twist, hit, up, spin and finish. Simple, okay? So what we're doing is we're twisting with the knees together. I'm on my toes, okay? The whole time I'm on my toes and I'm pivoting on my toes, okay? So I'm keeping those knees together. I'm also letting my knees collapse and fall apart. If you have to, put a band around your knees to keep them together, but keep your knees together. It's worthwhile just doing this drill just to get used to it, just to get used to the motion of keeping your feet and your knees together, okay? So once you've done that drill, you're feeling confident doing that, we want to incorporate a hit down with the fists at the same time we twist out, okay? So if I'm twisting out to that side, that means my right arm is going over across my body and this arm is going behind, okay? So we're not kind of twisting the upper body in the same direction that we're twisting our knees. We're twisting the upper body in the opposite direction that our lower body is going. So if our knees are pointing that way, my chest is pointing that way, and vice versa. If my knees are pointing that way, my chest is pointing this way, and I'm also twisting out that way with my arms. And again, and again, and again, and again. And just get used to this movement. And bounce as well. Let's begin to do the whole move. So we're going to do 2 hits, one to the side and then one to the other side. But as we do the hits, we're going to gradually lower our body weight as we do it, okay? So hit, hit. See how I'm quite low in this position right here. So from that second hit, we want to get almost fully squatted down to the ground. And then we just want to double arm just straight in front of us. Pretend you're hitting like a drum kit, like you're a drummer. Just pretend you're boom and you're hitting a drum kit in front of you. And then lift those arms up in the air and spin with them around your head. And then finish with your arms down, grabbing your junk, or arms down to the side. One more time from the top. Hit, hit, hit in front, up, finish. Hit, 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 up, finish. To the side, to the side, to the front, up, and finish. When you do that spin, I've had some students say they've had trouble, once they've done that hit there, they've had trouble getting the momentum to do the spin around and finish. Now, key here is obviously we're in a very cramped position with our legs. Hard to get any decent push off with the legs, but we really want to rely on the arm swing here is key to getting the momentum to be actually being able to complete that full spin. So when you hit in front, make sure you really pick your arms up in the air and around your body to, if you spin your arms hard enough, you might be able to do a double spin. That's the knee twist dance move. It's really cool. You can just walk up to the girl and just hit in front and finish. You know, nice little variety move. I think it's about time now that we started to do this move to some music. So let's do it to some counts first. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Simple. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, let's do it to the music. Let's get that rhythm in there now. Okay guys, follow along with me. 6, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, and 4. And you can take your time with it if you like. You can even do it a bit slower. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, and 4. So that's the knee twist dance move tutorial. If you want to see more cool videos like this, exclusive male stripper dance move videos, then make sure you click the link in the video description below. See you next time guys, don't forget to subscribe. Catch you later.